Hello my friends, welcome to Docinnet channel. Follow today's video. Today's video is about types of failover in Cisco ASA. Okay, let's go. Types of failover. Cisco ASA supports two different types of failover: device level failover and interface level failover. Device level failover. In device level failover, if the active appliance starts experiencing issues such as hardware failover, the standby device can change its role and become the active device in the network. In the initial device level failover configuration, you designate one device as primary and the other one as secondary. If both devices are powered on at the same time, then the primary appliance becomes active while the secondary appliance assumes the standby role. If the primary active device experiences issues and a failover occurs, then the secondary appliance becomes active. When the primary appliance recovers, it keeps itself in the standby role until a failover occurs on the secondary active appliance. Cisco ASA supports different types of device level failover: active standby and active. Interface level failover. In traditional failover scenarios, when a data passing interface fails, the firewall starts the process of failing over to the standby device. Consequently, some of the traffic gets disrupted during a device failover, even if a stateful failover is enabled. Some example of traffic disruption with device level failover include: all incomplete TCP sessions have to be reinitiated, routing updates for OSPF, RIP and EIGRP have to be relearned as new adjacencies have to be established. Most inspection engines states will need to be recreated because they are not synchronized to the failover per unit. Cisco Security Appliance can provide an additional layer of redundancy by grouping two physical interfaces into a logical interface. This way, if one of the physical interfaces fails, the security appliance activates the standby interface of that group rather than activating a device failover. The interface level switchover takes less than 500 milliseconds, which is faster than the device level failover. In interface level redundancy, only one physical interface is active at a time, while the other interface is in standby. When the active interface fails, the standby interface starts passing traffic to avoid device level failover. When both physical interfaces of the redundant logical interface fail, the security appliance triggers the device level failover, assuming it is configured and enabled. You must use version 8 or higher to use the interface level redundancy feature. Redundant interface guidelines. Before you enable a redundant interface, follow these guidelines. Any physical interface can be added as a member to a redundant interface except the management interface. You can define up to 8 redundant interfaces. You do not configure any network related command such as the IP address, name if, or security level on the physical interface. They are configured on the logically redundant interface if you have the name if command configured on a physical interface. You must remove it first before the interface can be part of the redundant interface. You can define parameters such as speed, duplex, shutdown, and description under a physical interface. The standby interface drops all inbound packets and does not send any outbound packets. You can use a redundant interface for any type of interface such as data interfaces, management interface, failover control link interface, and a stateful link interface. Okay, today's video is finished. Please send our videos to your friends and be sure to like and subscribe.